We know children learn through play, and Kindermusik is the avenue for that.
You see their growth just instantly like that.
Kindermusik, the world's leader in music and movement education, is offered in thousands of classrooms and home-based learning environments around the world. Since 1978, we've combined centuries of early childhood wisdom from Montessori, Vygotsky, Piaget, Kodai, and Orff. Our approach to early childhood education has enhanced the lives of millions through the power of joyful music and movement activities, supporting whole child development and boosting school readiness in children ages newborn to 6.
Music is a powerful device. It's been around for centuries. It's been used to communicate, educate, even to celebrate. Using it with Kindermusik, I think it's a great learning tool.
Kindermusik makes it easy for any teacher to be a music teacher. Songs, rhymes, and stories round out the experience, resulting in hours of playful and effective early learning opportunities.
Hammers and saws and builds a house for me.
I started using Kindermusik in my classroom last year, and I immediately fell in love with the curriculum.
Kindermusik aligns with standards for high-quality early childhood education. In fact, independent research found that students using Kindermusik for just 30 minutes per week saw 32% more improvement in early language and literacy skills. Our age-appropriate activities also fuel social-emotional growth. Another study found 80% of children who received Kindermusik demonstrated a new ability to take turns, while 76% who could not previously utilize self-control began to show it. Each Kindermusik one-on-one and classroom curriculum kit comes with everything you need to facilitate meaningful learning, including a full digital resource library for teachers and families. Supportive, downloadable, and streamable audio provides easy-to-follow activity instruction right along with recorded music, freeing the classroom teacher to lead the lesson and join the fun. Plus, all kits are designed to bend and flex with your day, empowering the instructor to use musical snippets for tricky transitions or to establish routines. Culturally diverse and inclusive content, instrument exploration, and imaginary play help reinforce important concepts, paving the way for creative, lifelong learners. Shape individual paths through the joy and power of musical play with Kindermusik.
I like Kindermusik.